Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here we have the square root exponent, the square root of 29, the power of 2 minus 13, the power of 2. You know that the power rule, a squared minus b squared, which is equals to a plus b times a minus b, where in our case, a is equals to 29 and b is equals to 13. So using this expression, this can be written as the square root of a plus b times a minus b. So this one is the square root of a is 29 plus 13 times 29 minus 13. So this one is 29 plus 13. This one is 13. Sorry, this one is 13. So 29 plus 13 is 42. So 42 times this one, 29 minus 3 is 16. And to make a square root, so this one can be written as the square root of 42 times the square root of 16. So this one is 4. That means the square root of 42 times the square root of 60 means 4 square. So this square cancelled by this. What we left? The square root of 42 times 4, or 4 times square root of 42. This is your answer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.